In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel your order on Snapfish. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in snapfish.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Snapfish. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to cancel your order, what you have to do is go to your order history interface. For that, click on your profile name that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, order history, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the order history interface. You'll be able to see all the order that you've placed over here. Right now my order is not created yet, but I'll tell you what to do. Keep in mind you'll only be able to cancel the order that you created not less than 60 minutes ago. So if you've created such orders, over here you'll be able to find the option for cancel order right next to the order that you've created. Simply click on the option cancel. After you do that, follow through the prompts in order to confirm the cancellation. Now your order will be cancelled. So like this, you'll be able to cancel your order. So that is how you cancel orders on Snapfish. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.